Hey guys, welcome back to another very interesting video of VK. In this video, I will be talking with you guys about a very interesting and a unique product. It is actually a laser light. This was imported from Hong Kong, and this video is going to be really interesting and different from the other videos on our channel. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the video.
Guys, this is the box package of the laser light. It looks like the consignment that Shah Rukh Khan will be holding in Don 2 movie. Now we'll open this briefcase and we'll take a look at the contents of this box. We are closely looking at the contents right now, and this is how it looks like, guys. It looks amazing. This is the laser light, and this is the travel charger. This is the safety goggles, and these are the two batteries which goes into the laser light. And guys, this, my dear friends, is the world's most powerful handheld laser light pointer. And guys, it looks crazy. And this is the laser light pointer, and this is the on and off button, guys, with the help of which you can turn the laser light on and off. Guys, these are the two 16340 batteries, which is actually rated at 3.7 volts, and a pair of battery costs you around 400 rupees, and these batteries are rechargeable. And guys, this is the travel charger, with the help of which you can charge the batteries that will be going inside the laser light. And this is the plug, guys, which you can put it into your wall charger. This is the place where you can put the cell, and this is the indicator, guys. You can pause the video and see the rating of the travel charger. And guys, this is the safety goggles. This is the most important part of this whole package. Without the safety goggles, you should never use the laser light, because since the laser light is extremely powerful and hot, it can even damage your skin and make you blind as well. So without the safety goggles, you should never use the laser light. So guys, always use this safety goggles whenever you are using this world's most powerful laser flashlight. Guys, now we are testing the laser light in broad daylight conditions. I've inserted the batteries onto the laser light, and using the button, I am turning on the laser light. This is how the beam comes out of the laser light. Now I'm going to be pointing the laser light onto my wall. This is how the laser light looks when it is pointed onto a wall in daylight conditions. If you guys can zoom into the video and see, the laser light in the daylight conditions looks exactly like this. Now we'll be testing the laser flashlight in the indoor in daylight conditions. As you guys can see, the purple color beam that is coming from the laser light looks very sharp and very powerful. In indoor conditions in daylight, it looks like a laser knife. It is very sharp and the divergence is very less in small areas. Now we'll take the laser light to the outdoor test in the night or in the dark conditions. Guys, the real potential of this laser will be shown only in the dark or in night conditions. As you guys can see, this laser light can be pointed to as far as the skies, and it looks extremely gorgeous. It can be used as a flashlight or a searchlight in the dark or in the night conditions. Guys, now we'll take the laser light onto a dry leaf burning test, and we'll check whether this laser light is powerful enough to burn the dry leaf or not. As you guys can see, after we continuously point the laser light beam onto the dry leaf, it makes a huge hole of burns on the dry leaf. And now we'll take the laser light onto a round of the most famous matchstick burning test. And as you guys can see, it has successfully lit the single matchstick without any issues. And this is how the laser light looks when we are pointing it onto a wall which is more than 150 foot from the pointing distance. Since the matchstick and the dry leaf were very light and thin, we'll put this laser light onto an extreme test by pointing it onto a thick cardboard and trying to burn it. As you guys can see, the smoke is coming from this cardboard box. That means the cardboard box has been successfully lit on fire using this laser pointer. As you guys are seeing throughout the video, this is the power of this military grade flashlight, guys. All these tests were conducted under the supervision of an expert laser light user. We would humbly request the younger kids to have parental guidance while using this laser flashlight. And guys, these are the image samples of how the world's most powerful laser flashlight looks in real life. Please have a look at it.
So guys, that's it for this video. If you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and if you have still not subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscribe button, as we have some awesome content on our channel. Thank you for watching, guys.